hello and a very warm welcome to Daily Dispatch, a show that gives you all the latest news and updates from the digital ecosystem. I'm Priya Sheth. Thank you so much for logging in. Time now to get you all the top news stories that we've been tracking this evening. Now, tech-enabled logistics aggregator for D2C sellers, Shiprocket, has raised $27 million in a Series C3 funding round. Now, this latest capital infusion brings Shiprocket's total funding to $53 million. Now, the investment will be used by the startup for product development as well as talent hiring across product, data, as well as engineering functions. Now, Shiprocket claims that it processes more than 4 million monthly shipments, enabling more than 100,000 sellers to sell directly to their consumers all across India. Well, moving on to the second headline of the day, Bangalore-based tech-enabled self-ride two-wheeler rental service startup Vogo has raised $11.5 billion as an extension of its Series C round. Now, these funds have been raised from existing investors including Lightrock, Kalari, Matrix Partners as well as Stellaris Venture Partners. Now, the funds will be used to expand and electrify the fleet, to work on achieving profitability for asset utilization as well as to optimize marketing growth. Well, college admissions platform Leverage EdTech has raised 47 crore rupees in a Series A financing. With this, the company has now raised about 60 crore rupees across 3 rounds. Now, the latest round of funding will be used to accelerate the company's strategic expansion into newer markets as well as to bring more product innovation and focus on student-first tools. Well, moving on to the final headline of the day, growth stage fund Avatar has raised an additional $100 million for its Opportunities Fund. This is in addition to the $300 million that it had raised in 2019. The fund will be used for strategic top-up opportunities in star portfolio companies as well as to make new investments. The focus will be on making $10 to $30 million growth stage investments in the B2B as well as the SaaS space. A very warm welcome to Your Story Unboxed, where I give you a list and gist of all the new and interesting products available in the market. Today we're going to be discussing my favorite 4 p.m. snack, that's instant noodles. Now, the instant noodles market in India has been growing at a CAGR of about 5.6% for the last 4 to 5 years, and it doesn't look like there's any stopping in the market considering that people have been consuming oodles of noodles in this lockdown. And over the last couple of months, consumption of instant noodles has also shot the roof, and that's led to many of the companies launching new and interesting variants. Now, the product that we're going to be unboxing today is Nestle's new variant of Maggi noodles, that is spinach flavored Maggi noodles that you see right here. Now, do remember that Nestle has been a market leader as far as instant noodles is concerned, with a 60% kind of market share, followed by companies like ITC, HUL, GSK Consumer Care that have been launching various variants of noodles in the market. Now, when we talk about this new variant of spinach masala veg atta noodles, this has just been launched into the market. Now, what it says is that it's a concoction of about 20 spices and herbs as far as the masala mix is concerned, but the cake of the noodle is expected to be in a spinach flavor. Now, this is playing on the health theme that most people are really adhering to nowadays. Now, it's also been a winter launch for Nestle for these noodles. Now, let's unbox this and see what these noodles really look like. So the cake, unlike a regular cake of Maggi noodles, is green in color. Now, this is the spinach variant that we're talking about. There's also a taste maker that is inside, which says that it is a concoction of about 20 spices and herbs. Now, the pricing as far as this packet is concerned is about 25 rupees for 72 grams. So this is the kind of packaging and pricing that Maggi noodles are available for. This is the masala variant that we're talking about. Now, these are not noodles that are made out of spinach. These are atta noodles with a spinach flavoring. Do remember that ITC had launched its tricolor pasta under the Yippee brand, which also had a spinach variant in that. Now, that was 3 colors and one of it was spinach. So, of course, spinach noodles are not new to the market per se, but this green cake is something that is new and unique. So time for me to go and taste what these noodles are like and whether or not they taste any different from the regular Maggi that's available in the market. Well, time now to say goodbye. Many thanks for joining us on this edition of Daily Dispatch. I'll see you tomorrow at 5 p.m. Goodbye and take care.